to actually snip the wires on one pickup because it would not sink into the body. So now what I'm doing is I've snipped a little bit of the wire and I'm just adding a little bit of solder, and I'm going to solder the black to the black and the white to the white, and that way the pickup will be functional once again. And then that connection is done. And that's how easy it is to put your pickup back together if you need to follow this method. And there you have it. All skinned and ready to be played. Oh, and it was also set up too. So, little setup, little truss rod adjustment, and this baby's ready to be rocked. So, there you have it.